you got a new digital planner notebook. How do you use it? Hi friends, I'm Brittany Berry, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to import your new digital planner and notebook into GoodNotes and a few tips and tricks on how to use it in GoodNotes. In Safari, on your tablet, you're going to want to sign in to your Etsy account. Go ahead and click your profile picture and then go down to Purchases and Reviews. Click Download Files and go ahead and click Download. Safari will open GoGetsy.com, and once your file loads, we're going to click the share icon and scroll all the way down to Open in GoodNotes. It should say Import as New Document. Go ahead and click that. And there you have it. Your new file is in your GoodNotes. Once you've imported your new document into GoodNotes, go ahead and duplicate it. That way you've got a backup. Open your new digital planner and notebook, and I'm going to show you guys a couple easy ways to navigate this. Many digital planners now have hyperlinks, which require you toggling this button here on and off before you can click or write just to navigate that. These minimalist digital planner notebooks don't have that, so you can easily just keep it here and you can write and you can swipe back and forth, and as you can see, you've got your monthly, weekly, your wide rule line, a blank, and then one divider to keep your thoughts organized. And then you've got a back cover. So going all the way back to the front, there is such an easy way to navigate your notebook. Go up here, and then you can see all your pages right there. And whenever you want to make more of a page, just click this little down arrow beside it and click duplicate. And you can do that as many times as you want. And because the monthly and weekly don't have any specific days or months assigned to them, you can reuse this every year, which is really efficient and really great. So once that's done, you can always, with your dividers, move this by dragging it, clicking it, and dragging it. And I can bring this up here and duplicate it and move this back down here to my weekly, just to put that in front. And what I love about GoodNotes is that they have a favorites section. So instead of dealing with hyperlinks that can make your document lag, I just navigate from here, and you can click that little bookmark tab, and all of a sudden, ta-da, there are your different categories. So I can just go over here and write easily my months. And then going back up here, I can see it's in my favorites, and I can just navigate to there. Easy as pie. Now, if you got a minimalist digital planner from my Etsy shop, Brittany Berry Art, you may have gotten some bonus stickers too. And I'm gonna show you guys how to use those as well. After you've followed the same steps to get your digital planner into GoodNotes, you're gonna do the same thing with the sticker book. Now, what you wanna do, now that you've got it open, click on the picture icon, then click on whatever sticker you want, hold it down, click share, then click copy. Then go over to your minimalist digital planner notebook, and then all you have to do is hold your finger down and click paste. And there you go, you've got your sticker. It's as easy as that. You can move it around. Ta-da! Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you want a minimalist digital planner notebook like what you saw today, go visit my Etsy shop, Brittany Berry Art. If you guys liked this video, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell for more art and tutorials. And thank you guys so much. Till next time, God bless. Bye.